Next to them is Achimota, represented by. Can you speak up? Next to them is Mawuli, represented by.
Go down. Please, you guys should reduce the noise.
You're welcome. This contest comes in 4 rounds. Round 1 is a round of fundamental questions. In this round, each school will be receiving a major question. Your duty is to provide the right answer. If the question involves calculation, you have a maximum of 30 seconds in which to provide the right answer. If it doesn't involve calculation, you have 10 seconds to provide the right answer. If you are right, you then pull 3 points. If you are wrong, that same question goes to the 2 opposing schools for bonus. If you have the right answer, you are left in by reading your question. If you are right as a bonus, then a point. If you are wrong, the precious 1 point will be submitted. Best wishes to all students. Please make it a point, vocalize the best. Okay, you have 1 attempt. First set, I have a preamble. Cells die in one of 2 ways, either by necrosis or by apoptosis. Differentiate between necrosis and apoptosis under the following topics. Presby boys, plasma membrane. Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so in apoptosis, the cell starts to die from the inside out. So the plasma membrane is the plasma membrane is best once the cell dies. So in the process, the plasma membrane rather controls and then gets exposed to external force.
I'm sorry, I can't give you that. For bonus. I'll hold on to that. Achimota. DNA breakdown. Yes, go ahead.
Apoptosis, there is breakdown into certain things that are cause death. But for necrosis, there is no damage of the kidney.
I'm sorry, for bonus. Okay, Mawuli. Fate of dead cells. Yes, go ahead.
Dead cells can be recycled, but for the apoptosis, the dead cells are not recycled and remain as a form part of the dead tissues of the wound, but for the apoptosis, it's recycled.
I'm sorry for bonus. Okay, so I'll start with yours. So in necrosis, the dead cells are ingested by the white blood cells. By apoptosis, they are ingested by living cells. Okay. Then Achimota. I said DNA breakdown. So in both instances, DNA is broken down. But how? So in apoptosis, the DNA is broken down into nucleosome-sized fragments. And in necrosis, they are broken down into random fragments. Are we clear? Then Presby bodies. So we interchange your answers. So in apoptosis, the membrane forms a leg. Then in necrosis, it bursts or it fractures. So that's what is said for. So next set of questions have a preamble as well. Identify what the following descriptions refer to. Presby boys. It is the total amount of air exhaled at the maximum inhalation. The value is about 4,800 mils, and it varies according to age and body size. It is calculated by summing tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, and expiratory reserve volume. It indicates the ability to breathe deeply and cough, reflecting inspiratory and expiratory muscle strength. Yes, that is correct. Achimota. It is the maximum volume of air that can be inhaled following a resting state. It is calculated as the sum of the inspiratory reserve volume and the tidal volume.
Total lung capacity.
I'm sorry for I'll hold on to the answer. Mawuli. It is the amount of air remaining in the lungs at the end of a normal exhalation. It is calculated by adding together residual and expiratory reserve volumes. It highlights the resting position when inner and outer locals are balanced. Yes. I'm sorry for holding. So Mawuli, yours is functional residual capacity, and Achimota, yours is inspiratory capacity. Next set, I have a preamble as well. Describe the location in a Cartesian plane of a point P given by xy, for which you get a preamble. Describe the location in a Cartesian plane of the point P xy, for which Presby boys, absolute value of x is equal to negative absolute value of y. Is that hand up? Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so it is in the third one.
I'm sorry. Yes.
The fourth one.
I'm sorry. So your main question. Absolute value of x is greater or equal to 3. Yes.
Above the line, x is equal to 3. Or the line 3.
I'm sorry, I can't take that. What was this? Okay. Mawuli. X is greater than 2 and y is equal to 2. Yes, go ahead. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'll start with yours. So the set of all points on the line y is equal to 2, for which x is greater than 2. Then yours. Absolute value of x greater or equal to 3. It can't be above. It's either on the right or the left side. So when you are considering the x, it's either to the left or to the right, not above. That's why. So you have it right, but I said above. Yeah. Okay, they are considering the x values, it's either to the left or to the right. They are considering y values, it's either above or below. Are we clear? Then Presby boys is the origin. Next set, Presby boys. If square root of x plus 1 over square root of x is equal to 5, find the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared. Is your hand up? Yes. I'm sorry for bonus. Yes, Achimota.
23.
I'm sorry. Yes, one. Your major question. If x plus 1 over x is equal to 2, find the value of x to the power 16 plus 1 over x to the power 16. Yes, go ahead.
We have 2.
That is correct. Mawuli, if x plus 1 over x is equal to 3, find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 over x to the power 4. Yes, that is correct. So the first one, the right answer is 527. Presby boys. What is the catalyst in the Finkelstein reaction? What is the catalyst in the Finkelstein reaction? Yes. I'm sorry for So it's acetone or methanol. Achimota, what is the catalyst in the Friedel-Crafts reaction? Yes, go ahead.
Ethanol.
I'm sorry for yes. That is correct. So I would have accepted FECLQ as well. Mawuli, what is the catalyst used in the oxo process? Yes. I'm sorry for the right answer is cobalt carbonyl hydride. Next set, I have a preamble, a very lengthy preamble, so you take it. It involves a table. Consider the table below. I have 3 column headings. Starting material, that's the first column heading. Reagent or reaction condition, that's the second column. And type of reaction. So starting material, reagent or reaction conditions, and type of condition. So I'll be reading in rows under all the 3 column headings. So under starting material, toluene, under reagent condition, NaOH /Br2. Then another type of reaction, condensation. So you get the order in which I'm going, right? You get the order in which I'm going, right? Okay. So next row, acetophenol, Br2/heat/UV light. Then carboxylation. The next row, benzaldehyde, into brackets, so under reagent conditions, bracket CH3CO, bracket close, /CH3COOK. Then another type of reaction, substitution. Then last row, under starting material, phenol. Under reagent conditions, NaOH/CO2. And then under type of reaction, halogen. Select the appropriate starting material, reagent reaction conditions, and the type of reaction for the following processes. Do you get the preamble? Okay. So consider the table below. I have 3 column headings: starting material, reagent or reaction conditions, type of reaction. So I have 4 rows. First one, toluene, NOH, Br2, condensation. Second row, acetophenol, Br2/heat/UV light, carboxylation. Next one, benzaldehyde, into bracket CH3CO, bracket close, 2/CH3COOP. Type of reaction, substitution. Next one, phenol, NaOH/CO2. Then halogen. Select the appropriate starting material, reagent or reaction conditions, and the type of reaction for the following processes. So I'll start with you, Presby. Synthesis of benzoic acid. Okay, go ahead.
Starting material is
I'm sorry for okay. So I'll come to you, Achimota. A process that produces 2 different carboxylic acids. Yes, go ahead.
The starting material is acetophenol. The reagent condition Br2/heat and UV light. The type of reaction is carboxylation.
I'm sorry for bonus. And what was the starting material? Acetophenol. Okay, I'm sorry for bonus. Mawuli. The reaction proceeds through a radical mechanism. Yes, go ahead. Two out of 3. So you have the starting material right, you have the reagent condition right, but the reaction is substitution. So Presby, it's yours. The starting material is acetylene, and the reagent for reaction condition is NaOH/Br2, and the type of reaction is halogen. Achimota. So your starting material is benzaldehyde. Your reagent condition is CH3CO sulfate 2/CH3COB, and the type of reaction is condensation reaction. Next set of questions I have a preamble. A pool ball leaves a 20-meter high building with an initial horizontal velocity of 2.4 meters per second. Presby body. Predict the time required for the pool ball to fall to the ground. Yes, go ahead. That is correct. Achimota. Predict the horizontal distance between the building and the ball's landing location. Yes. That is correct. Mawuli. If the height of the building was later measured to be 22 meters, what would be the time required for the ball to fall to the ground? Yes.
Okay, so the time required to go where would a second
I won't take that. You know where I will take it? What is square root of 4? So 2.1 seconds. Next set, Presby body. A spacecraft with the shape of a sphere of diameter d moves past an observer on Earth with a speed of 0.5 c. What shape does the observer measure for the spacecraft as it moves past it? And explain your answer. Yes, go ahead. Is it? I'm sorry, I won't take that. Okay, I'll come back to that. Achimota. The speed of light in water is 2.30 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Suppose an electron is moving through water at 2.50 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Does this particle speed violate the principle of relativity? Why? Yes, go ahead.
Yes, it violates the principle of relativity because the speed of light, the light is supposed to be there. So the speed of the electron is not supposed to exceed the speed of light despite the medium they are traveling in.
I'll come back to that, but I won't give you the math. For bonus. Okay, Mawuli. Give a physical argument that shows it is impossible to accelerate an object of mass m to the speed of light, even with a continuous force acting on it. Yes.
Okay. So the particle of mass m, if trying to accelerate the speed of light, is impossible. As the object moves, the part of the mass is being converted into energy according to Einstein's relativity theory, according to the equation E equals mc squared. So the mass, part of the mass is converted into some form of energy, and the mass remaining will not be able to account for the acceleration.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. So, for yours, based on your explanation, is it yes or no? Based on the values you are given, I give you 2.30 10 to the power 8 meters per second and 2.50 10 to the power 8 meters per second. What's the speed of light over that? Is it less than or greater than the speed of light?
It's less than.
It's less than. So it was the principle violation. It wasn't violated. That's the end of round 1. Yes, so you can destroy the thing. It doesn't maintain the destroy it. Yeah, so the explanation is right, but because you got the shape, explanation. You're explaining your answer. Or that's the end of round 1.
There is a follow-up into the trick.
Okay, so they needed to be specific. First is causing an acceleration. What kind of energy? What kind of energy are we dealing with? What kind of energy are we dealing with? Kinetic energy. That's the end of round. At the end of round 1, here are the scores. Achimota, 4 points. Mawuli and Presby, 7 points. So let's appreciate them. Best wishes to all schools. First set of questions to be answered in 10 seconds. What other name is given to the glycolysis pathway? Yes, Mawuli.
It's also called C3 pathway.
I'm sorry. Achimota, you're also wrong. Yes.
We have the pyruvic acid cycle.
I'm sorry. So the right answer is the EMP, which is engine Merrihoff Panas pathway. Engine Merrihoff Panas pathway. Next question. What name is given to the fluid secreted by the plants in the building, which is alkaline and consists of water, mucoproteins, bicarbonates, and digestive enzymes? Yes, Mawuli. That is correct. Next question. Which of these three domains of life on Earth, namely the bacteria, the archaea, and the eukarya, replicate DNA. Yes. I'm sorry.
The eukaryote.
I'm sorry. Replicate DNA semi-conservative. Yes. I'm sorry. So all three of them replicate DNA semi-conservative. What we are taught in school is semi-conservative DNA replication. Or is that not what you are? So all three of them now undergo the same type of DNA replication. Next set to be answered in 30 seconds. If, and I have a fraction with numerator, x squared minus x plus 1, and denominator x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to a fraction with numerator 2, denominator 3. Then find the value of x plus 1 over x. The right answer, 5. Next question. Find the value of, I have another fraction with numerator, the expression 2.697 minus 0.498 d squared plus another expression 2.697 plus 0.498 is also squared. With denominator 2.697 times 2.697 plus 0.498 times, yes, I'm sorry, so I continue, times 0.498. Yes, that is correct. Next one. If x is equal to secant theta plus tangent theta, and y is equal to secant theta plus minus tangent theta, what is the relation between x and y? Yes.
Relation is x squared minus y squared.
I'm sorry. Yes, Achimota.
X squared plus y squared is equal to 1.
I'm sorry. The right answer, xy is equal to 1. Next set, 30 seconds. A 40.010 coil of wire of radius 3.0 centimeters is placed between the poles of an electromagnet. The field increases from 0.75 Tesla to 1.5 Tesla at a constant rate in a time interval of 220 seconds. What is the magnitude of the induced voltage in a coil if the field is perpendicular to the plane of the coil? the right answer, 0.38 millivolts. Next one. A 4.0 kilogram object is spelled in a horizontal circle at the end of a 0.5 meter long string at an angular speed of 10 meters per second. Find the tension in a string. Yes.
1 minute.
That is correct. Next one. Find the acceleration and the velocity at the bottom of an inclined plane when a solid cylinder is rolling down at an inclined when a solid cylinder is rolling down an inclined plane of height 0.30 meters and the plane is inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal. Yes. I'm sorry. Mawuli.
The velocity is equal to 2.0 meters per second, and the acceleration is equal to 2.0 meters per second.
I'm sorry. So the right answer. So you both have the velocity right, but the acceleration is 3.3 meters per second squared. Last set of questions for this round. Arrange the following in decreasing order of oxidation state of phosphorus: H3PO2, H3PO4, H3PO3, and H4. Yes, Mawuli.
In decreasing order, it is the first one is the H3PO2. The second one is the H3PO3. The third one is the H4O5. And the last one is the H3PO4.
So I continue. H4P2O6. Yes, Presby boy.
Have H H4 P2O6
That is correct. Next one. Upon addition of KClO3 in the presence of catalytic amount of MnO2, a gas W is formed. Excess amount of this W reacts with white phosphorus to give X. What are W and X? Yes.
W is O2. X is P2O5.
I'm sorry. So yes, W is O2, but X is P4O10. Last question for this round. P4O10 from the above reaction reacts with pure HNO3 to give Y and Z. What are Y and Z? Okay. So the right answer. N2O5 and HEO3 respectively. That's the end of round. For show appreciation. At the end of the second round, here are the scores. Achimota, 2 points. Mawuli, 6 points. And Presby boys, 8 points. Some silence. Round 3. This round is also known as the true or false round. In this round, I'll be reading out statements. The duty is to tell me whether the statement is true or false. If they are right, 2 points. If they are wrong, a penalty of 1 point. Best wishes to us, so I'll start with you, Achimota. In heterospory, the dominant generation is a gametophyte, and in homospory, the dominant generation is a sporophyte. False. That is correct. Mawuli. Both self-fertilization and cross-fertilization can occur in heterospory, while in homospory, only self-fertilization occurs. I'm sorry, that's a false statement. Presby boys. Heterospory produces both megaspores and microspores, while homospory produces only microspores. Yes. No, that's a false statement. The next set, I have a preamble. Concerning the nutritional categorization of the 3 domains of living organisms, namely bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. You get a preamble? No. Concerning the nutritional categorization of the 3 domains of living organisms, namely bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. Achimota. Chemolithotropes are found in all 3 domains. Yes. False. That is correct. Mawuli. Photoheterotrophs are found in only bacteria. Yes. No, it's true. Presby boys. Chemoheterotrophs are not found in all 3 domains. Yes. False. That is correct. Achimota. The degree of the polynomial xy squared plus 2 squared is 3. False. No, that's a true statement. The degree of the polynomial x plus y to the power 1 over 2 plus z is 1. Yes. No, that's a true statement. The degree of the polynomial x plus xyz minus 4 is 4. Yeah, false. That is correct. Achimota. The greater integer function is odd. Yes.
False.
That is correct. None. The logarithm function is even. No, that's a false statement. The square root function is even. Yes. False. That is correct. Next set, I have a preamble. The color of the X subscript 2 molecule of group 17 elements of the periodic table changes gradually from yellow to violet down the group. This is due to, you get a preamble. The color of the X2 molecule of group 17 elements of the periodic table changes gradually from yellow to violet down the group. This is due to Achimota. The physical state of X2 at room temperature changes from gas to solid down the group. Yes.
True.
No, it's false. More. Decrease in ionization energy down the group. Yes. I'm sorry, that's also false. Presby body. Decrease in the pi sigma molecular orbital gap down the group. Yes. False. No, that's true. So that is the reason. Next set, I have a preamble. The following statements are incorrect about the auto acids HClO4 and HCl2. You get the preamble. The following statements are incorrect about the auto acids HClO4 and HCl2. Achimota. The central atom in both HClO4 and HClO is sp3 hybridized. Yes. False. That is correct. HClO4 is more acidic than HCl2 because of the resonance stabilization of its anion. Yes. No, that's a false statement. Presby points. HClO4 is formed from the reaction between Cl2 and H2. Yes, that is correct. Next is Achimota. If an equation is dimensionally correct, then that equation must be true. Yes.
False.
No. Yes, that is correct. Mawuli. If an equation is not dimensionally correct, then that equation can't be true. Yes, that is correct. First word. A dimensionally correct equation isn't necessarily true. Yes, that is correct. Last set of questions, and I have a very lengthy preamble to take a look. A car's headlights come on, and an observer on the ground measures the speed of the light beam to be 3.00 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. As the driver heads down the highway traveling at a speed v away from the ground observer, state whether the following statements are true or false about the measured speed of the light beam. Preamble again. A car's headlights come on, and an observer on the ground measures the speed of the light beam to be c, which is equal to 3.00 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. As the driver heads down the highway traveling at a speed v away from the ground observer, state whether the following statements are true or false about the measured speed of the light beam. Achimota. The ground observer measures the light speed to be c plus v. Yes, true. I'm sorry, that's false. Mawuli. The driver measures the light speed to be slightly less than c. That is correct. Last statement for this one. The ground observer measures the light speed to be slightly less than c. Yes. I'm sorry, that's false. So both of them measure the light speed to be c. That's the end of round 2. At the end of the third round, here are the scores. Silence. Mawuli, 4 points. Achimota, 9 points. Presby boys, 15 points. If you win on the first clue, you are right, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. There are 4 riddles to call. First which is told. First riddle. I am the modified fleshy lamp on the upper surface of labellum of the oblique flower. I am a temporary tissue formation of fibroblasts and chondroblasts, which forms at the area of a bone fracture as the bone attempts to heal itself. I am a thickened area of shell material that can partly or completely cover the umbilicus of the shell of mollusks, or can be located as a coating on the body wall near the aperture of the shell. I am a growing mass of unorganized plant parenchyma cells that may cover the plant leaf. I am an area of thickened and hardened skin that forms as a response to, yes, Achimota.
Scar tissue.
I'm sorry. In response to repeated friction, pressure, or other irritation. Who am I? Yes, Mawuli. I'm sorry. Grande. I'm sorry. Head of a boom. Carlos formation. Next riddle. I am a 4-lettered word in English, but used in science. In physics, I am the maximum value of a quantity during a specified time interval. In geography, I may be seen as a point, a range, or a whole mountain. In statistics, yes, I should pick. That is correct. That was on the fourth and 3 points. Next video. I am a colorless organic acid. I am a precursor and a metabolite of a common drug in medicine. I am effective in removing the top layer of the skin. Hence, I am used in itchy skin and the like. I am considered a plant hormone as well. Yes. I'm sorry. It roles in plant growth and development, photosynthesis, transpiration, and ion uptake and transport. I have a benzene ring, but in total, I have 7 carbons in my molecule. I am the precursor of acetyl salicylate. Yes, Presby for it. That is correct. That was in the last 3 points. Please, your answer is. So we use the same thing. Yes, that is correct. Salicylic acid. Last 3. Salicylic is the precursor to salicylic. Last video. I am a branch of pure mathematics commonly referred to as a higher arithmetic. The German mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss, who died in 1855, said, number 3. That is correct. That was the second 4 points. And then at the end of the contest, here's the score. Mawuli School, 4 points. So let's clap for them. Achimota School, 12 points. And Presby boys, 22 points. That brings us